Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe your favorite food at a traditional festival or a special event in your country. You should say, what is it? At which festival/event you eat it? How was it made? And explain why did you like it? Gujia is one of my favorite traditional dishes ever. It is made specifically for the Holi festival, which is celebrated all over India as the Festival of Colors. Every year, I look forward to this delectable meal, and the very notion of it evokes a lot of happy memories. A rich filling of khoya, dried milk solids, grated coconut, dry fruits like cashews and almonds, and perhaps a touch of cardamom for flavor. Gujia is a deep-fried dumpling prepared from refined flour, maida. It is frequently covered with sugar syrup after frying to give it a shiny, sweet appearance. Making gujia is a major occasion in our household. The whole family gets together in the kitchen the day before Holi. Before they are fried, the rest of us assist my mother in shaping and sealing the gujias while she prepares the filling. It's a lovely blend of enthusiasm, teamwork, and tradition. When they're cooking, the aroma that permeates the home is simply delicious. In addition to being tasty, this dish has a deep cultural and familial connection, which is why I adore it. For us, gujia has always been a sign of celebration, and Holi is all about spreading love, joy, and color. Furthermore, we don't eat it frequently, which adds to its festiveness and specialness. The crunchy outer shell, the soft and sweet inside filling, and the richness of the dry fruits all combine to create the ideal texture and flavor balance, which is another reason I enjoy it. Usually, I eat more than I ought to. To sum up, gujia is more than just a treat for me. It serves as a remembrance of customs, holidays, and joyful times spent with my loved ones. It has a particular place in my heart and on my plate during Holi because of this.
And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.